Why is it that people dislike the rain so? Why, without it, we wouldn't have puddles to play in. Or water to fill our reservoirs so that you and I have enough to drink. It takes a good rain shower to wash clean our buildings and streets, and to wash clean a certain someone who's too lazy to turn on his faucet.
Mr. Bump, did we or did we not plan a picnic for today?
Yes, but it's raining.
So?
Not the best of days for a picnic.
Nothing wrong with this day. Get your things.
I don't know, Mr. Stubborn. I've been fighting off a cold and...
Then you clearly need some fresh air. Let's go.
Are you sure you don't want to go on a picnic on a day when, I don't know, the sun is shining and we're not ankle deep in water?
There is nothing wrong with this day. That looks like a nice place for a picnic.
That patch of mud?
Mr. Bump, you're starting to chip away at my good mood. Now come on and lay out the blanket.
Oh no! Our lunch! Ow!
Not a problem.
Mr. Stubborn, how can we have a picnic if our picnic basket with all our food was just taken away by a mudslide?
Because I always keep a spare sandwich in my pocket.
Oh, all right.
I make one terrific ham salad sandwich, don't you think? How about a game of cards?
Yeah, but it's raining. What would you like to play?
Go fish. I'll start. Have any fives?
No.
Yes, you do.
I'm pretty sure I don't.
Pretty sure means you do.
No, it means I'm pretty sure I don't.
I think you do.
Are we sinking?
Don't change the subject. Do you have any fives?
I think we're sinking.
No, we are not. I refuse to go fish because I just know you have a five.
Poopity poop.
Not even a hat of all the days to forget my umbrella. No! They going in such a hurry. Ever hear of right of way? No! Oh my, I suddenly feel like there's a party going on and I haven't been invited. Horns, claws, alligator! Oh, deep. I should never leave the house without a rubber raft or some other flotation device. Oh! Oh! No. Wait for me!
You snooze, you lose.
This is way too much work.
the new coiling iron? Ooh, I love that sponge mop. No, wait, that! I definitely want that can of corn. Oh, wait, an umbrella! That's just what I need. Hello, Miss Helpful. I'm looking for an umbrella. Something sturdy, like plastic or chicken feathers. Something that will keep me dry.
Well, lucky for you, I have just the thing, Mr. Scatterbrain.
Ooh, pretty.
It may look big, but why let your knees get all soggy in the rain? That's what I say.
I'll take it.
Let me ring you up.
Miss Helpful?
Now remember, be careful when using it on a windy day. Oh dear. And look out for the storm drains.
Oh, Miss Helpful sure does know a lot about umbrellas.
You know what's gonna happen when the lightning comes to town. You better get your umbrella, 'cause the rain is coming down. The thunder's booming big time and the sky is dark and gray. Oh! You better get yourself a rowboat. The rain is on its way. Oh! It's raining, it's pouring, the Mr. Man is snoring now. You hear him? And Dilly Dilly's dancing, trying to make it rain on down. Oh! And Dilly Dilly's dancing, trying to make it rain on down. Now April's known for showers and maybe even monsoons. Oh! You better get yourself a raincoat, the downpour's coming soon. It's raining, it's pouring, the Mr. Man is snoring now. And Dilly Dilly's dancing, trying to make it rain on down. We're dancing, we're dancing. And Dilly Dilly's dancing. I need my umbrella, Ella, Ella. This is the calamity. Do you feel it?
Oh, it's a magnificent sofa, Miss Calamity. 100% pure wool from very exclusive sheep.
Wool? But Mr. Persnickety, wool shrinks. Oh, one drop of water and it'll be ruined.
Oh, I'm well aware of the risks, Miss Calamity, but it's a small price to pay for comfort. Ah! That woman is like a bad luck charm. Oh! Hello, Mr. Strong's roof repair. This is awful. There is a leak in my roof, and it is threatening to shrink my new wool sofa. This is an emergency. Yes?
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm on the phone. Some kind of emergency about a leak in a new wool sofa. Hey, let me call you back, all right?
This is disastrous. I need for you to repair this leak immediately. No! No!
That is so weird. Someone just called about the same thing. Don't worry. When it comes to a leaky roof, I'm your man. Now, let's see here.
Well?
This looks bad.
Can you fix it?
I'll need to take a look outside.
Oh, dear.
Hello!
What are you doing?
I'm gonna need to take the roof back to the shop for repairs.
You what? gracious! My roof!
Hey, don't worry. I'll fix it up as good as new.
So you see, there are people who love a good rainy day, and people who don't. So the next time it rains in your part of the world, go out and enjoy yourself, Dillydale style.